Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese and tomato quiche. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Take a 9-inch pie crust and blind bake it for about 10 minutes. This step helps prevent a soggy bottom. Remember to prick the bottom of the crust with a fork a few times before baking. Once baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack. This preparation is crucial for a perfect quiche base. Now let's prepare the delicious filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk and 1/2 cup of heavy cream until well combined. Next, stir in 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, like Gruyere or sharp cheddar. Finally, season the mixture with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. This creates a rich and savory base. With your crust ready, it's time to assemble. Evenly arrange 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes across the bottom of your cooled pie crust. These add a burst of fresh flavor. Carefully pour the egg and cheese mixture over the tomatoes, ensuring they are well covered. Place the quiche in your preheated oven and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes until golden brown and set. Once your quiche is beautifully baked, remove it from the oven. It's important to let it cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing. This helps the filling set properly. Garnish with some fresh chives or parsley for a vibrant touch and extra flavor. Then, slice and serve your delicious homemade cheese and tomato quiche. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.